What's up, guys? Alright, this is your boy MikeShinnery. We in here. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I'm testing. I made a microphone cover to try to block out some of the wind noise when I'm recording and moving. But also, I just put a plug in my tire on my bike. I found we think it's a staple that was in my tire, and when I pulled it out, it was deep enough to penetrate. So I went and got a plug, and I put it in. Well, I'm putting my cap down now. Oh no, I'm gonna ride for a little bit with my visor open, so we have wind coming directly into the helmet. And then I'll close the visor when I'm at speed. Look at the moon, that was cool. So all I'll do is right now we're gonna go get some gas. So this is me talking with the visor open. I can hear the wind coming in my helmet. I'm doing 45 miles per hour. Not too much, right? But the visor's open. Okay, so now I'm going to close the visor and we can talk as if I was doing some high-speed stuff. With the visor closed. God, these roads are so bad. And see, I'm paranoid right now because I got the plug in my tire too. Alright, well, anyway. So now we got the visor down. I'm talking into the mic. I moved the microphone and I put the what they call it, a cattail, fuzzy cap cover over it. And so I'm gonna ride, get some wind blowing in here. I can only go so fast with the plug in though. Keep it from blowing out. You're not really supposed to ride around too long with a plug. I know people that do it all the time. Look at the moon. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. Alright, let's go get some gas. Yeah, I'm gonna need gas for tomorrow anyway. I might as well get it tonight. What time is it? Look, guys, I got 101 miles to this tank. So one more bar, that gets me about 17 to 20 miles, I think. It's like really weird. This bike has horrible mileage, but it's tuned for racing, so that's why. Alright, so let's turn this off. Can I open it this time without the wrench? No. Oh, yes, I can. I got it. Yeah. Your boy Mike got some muscles. Haha. See that? Look, the key's over there. The gas tank's open. Yeah, boy. Alright. So now, we're going to get some gas. I really can't wait till they get this touchless thing in here. Can I get my card out? Alright, you know what? Actually, I'm going to pause it because I know if I do share this, you know, a lot of y'all thieves out there. Alright, I'll be right back. So pause. Alright, we're back. We filmed the gas. I'm creating shadows over here. I can't see when I'm full. Oh, slow down, baby. Nope. That's enough of that. You guys know the trick about the gas, right? You have a bike, you don't want the gas to leak on your paint. You got tilted up like so. Okay, see? And the gas go back in. Look at that. Boom. No gas on my paint. Now put the cover back on. The radius sheet, nope. Cost me $13.60 to put in 3.2 gallons. See, these Honda CBRs got little gas tanks. So if I'm getting, what's my mileage like? I'm getting about 120 gallons or 120 miles to like 3.5 gallons. So 120 divided by 4 would be 30. Alright, so I'm getting a little over 30 miles to the gallon. So, not bad, not bad. Alright, let's rock. Let's see what she's doing. Fuel pump is on. We got power. We got ignition. We got gas. Oh, I gotta reset my mileage. There it is. Now I'm at 0.0 miles. Let's take the long way. We take the long way home. Test out this plug and make sure we're good. Actually, you know what? I didn't even look at the plug. Hold on. Let's get some light over here. Alright. Looks like I'm still doing alright. Alright. Well, the tire's holding so far. Alright. Here we go. Long way home. Long way home. I'll make a big circle. I gotta remind myself not to go fast. I am that dummy. Put a plug in my tire and blow that fucking plug out. Cause I feel the need for speed. But nah, I'd rather test it tonight where I'm close to home. Tomorrow, I'm gonna call ESP, Evan Steel Performance. See if Phil can get me a tire. If you guys are ever in Arizona or anywhere in the Southwest, check out Evan Steel Performance, man. Best bike shop probably you'll find anywhere on the west. In the west. Alright, so it's nice and windy now. Okay, I reached my speed limit for this tire. Chill out, Mike. Chill out. Chill out. Gotta remember to take it easy till we get that new tire. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and do the tire. I'll do the chain. Oh yeah, okay, so I'm gonna do the tire and I'm gonna take off the stretch. I'm gonna put it back to the stock wheelbase. Seriously? Yeah, I'm gonna do a tire, chain, acceleration kit, and stock wheelbase. I'm gonna just do it all at once. Get her all done. And then once that's done, I'll bring her home, tear her apart, do the oil change, and my liquids while I got the plastics off. behind me, but I can't go fast. I don't know if he's trying to go fast or if he's just gonna let me go. Alright, what's my brakes look like? Oh, there we go. Why the brake look like it don't? Did it do anything to the road? Oh yeah, it did, okay. Man, I gotta do some more night riding. It's been a long time since I did some night riding. I just get, I've been getting tired, man, because I go to work, and then I get off work, and I work. You know, I'm getting prepared for that wealth that I got coming in. Where'd that car go? I was not going that fast. That car should be right behind me. Bruh. The hell, did they crash? I know you guys saw it. There was a car that turned with me. Oh well. Yeah, he ain't nowhere behind me. It's a straight road. There's nothing else except these apartments. Car's way back there. He must have got scared. Punk. Alright, let's see. Whoop. I got the light perfect. Damn it. Ooh, I can smell the weed out here. Somebody blazing, feeling real good. Either that or the dispensary wind is blowing this way. So now I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna listen to this video back and see what it sounds like. If the cattail was worth throwing in my helmet and making my chin and my mouth all tickled. Yeah. I'm just gonna go because there ain't no traffic. Oh, never mind. I got the lights again. God, these roads are so damn bumpy, man. It does have me a little paranoid. I don't want that plug to bounce out or come out just because the roads are shit. But we shall see. But alright guys, thanks for riding along with me on this little test ride. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Aloha. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. Alright. Okay, bye.